Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. First of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the feet of my Gurupad Varuna, Nityalila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sadasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus feet of Nityalila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sadasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all the senior devotees, and all the Vaishnavas and favorite of my respectful guests. So some devotees also request me. So about Gadadhar Pandit, why Gadadhar Pandit? He was not staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. Then for Gadadhar Pandit, he was alone staying in Sutta Gopinath. So for this contest, I want to speak to you about couple days before I also discuss about Gadadhar Tattva and Guru Garudesh Dipika. Kavi Karnapur very clearly explained. Gadadhar Pandit is a direct and expansion of Srimati Radhika. The Krishna, though he took some Radhika's Bhav and Kante, and Radhika Bhav Kante, Churi Kari Krishna Avatirna Haiva, Navaditi Gaura Rupadhari, that means Krishna. He stored Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion and appeared in Navadvipam in the form of Sachinandan Gaudhari. And you also heard the why Krishna he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Srila Savdanga in his culture very clearly explained. जैसे राधा प्रणय महिमा के देश वाणी भाषा दो जन मधुर मक्के देश वाणी सुपंच मधुर मुद्र किदु से बेटे लोगा तद भाव प्रसन्न जन सुजभव सिंधु Krishna in his Guru Vrindavan he is thinking though I release all the rasas mellows from the heart of the classes, and especially Sakha, Vatsala and Madhurya, everything is there. But when I am thinking about Srimati Radhika's highest prem, then that time become very surprised. Everybody also intoxicated with my beauty. But when I see Srimati Radhika's beauty, Saundarya, then that time I cannot control myself. And I completely also chasing behind to Srimati Radhika. Amar Gandhe Jagat Amadita. Krishna is thinking all the universe completely intoxicated the sweet smell of my body. But when I just get the sweet smells from the body of Srimati Radhika, that time I can't to control myself. Then Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, Radhara Sudhanidhi also explain this thing. Then Jassa Kadapi Vasanancan Klanutta Dhannati Dhanna Pavanana Kitarthaman Jagindra Durvam Gati Madhusudanopi Tasasthanam Vishabhanu Bho Disopi. In this verse, Prabodhananda Saraswati also glorified about Srimati Radhika's beauty and the fragrance of heart and body. So Krishna is thinking, what kinds of the prem in the heart of Srimati Radhika? and more more bhavi and Kamalevi Kare and Alingan. When Srimati Radhika is completely separation from me, and that time he completely built for me. And if he would see the blackish Kamal tree, he also she also embraced. Amabhavi Kamali Kare Alingan. And even Srimati Radhika, she any blackish thing, she thinking I am in there. So Krishna is thinking, but even Srimati Radhika, when she looked the dark cloud or rain cloud, that I'm thinking, and I am there, and she also just raised her hand and tried to embrace the blackish and rain cloud. And so Krishna is thinking, I am not doing this. What? I am not doing this. Though I have love and affection with Srimati Radhika, but I have no these types of love and affection and with Srimati Radhika. But Srimati Radhika, what kinds of prem and in her heart? And for this regard, Sarup Damodar in his Parcha and explain this way, Radha Pranamahima Kidisrubanava. And what is the divine love of Srimati Radhika towards me? And second, what is my beauty? Saundarya Madhurima. What is Srimati Radhika? She is testing and releasing. Fourth is third, when Srimati Radhika, she released my sweetness and beauty. What kinds of realization coming in her heart? For these three reasons, then Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood bhav. And so now Krishna, he appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sajanandan Gaurhari, that is called Prachanna Avatar. And Prachanna Avatar, that is called hidden incarnation of Lord, Prachanna Avatar. And so now coming in this way, now Krishna appeared in the form of Sajanandan Gaurhari, and also again Srimati Radhika, she appeared in Navadvip Dham in the form of Gadadhar. Srimati Radhika, she appeared in Navadvip Dham in the form of Gadadhar Pandit. But in our Shastra also explained two Gadadhar. One is Gadadhar Pandit and another is Gadadhar Das. Also Gadadhar Das, and he is also the expansion of Srimati Radhika. And so now we say Gadadhar and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, from their in childhood, and they are so much intimacy to each others. And our Shastra explain this way, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cannot stay without Gadadhar, or Gadadhar can't stay with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There's so much intimacy to each other, intimacy to each others. Where is Gadadhar, there is Nimai, where is Nimai, there is Gadadhar. For this regard, in Navadvip Dham, everybody also called Gadai Gauranga. That means Gadadhar, he belongs to Gauranga, Gauranga, he belongs to Gadadhar. That is called Gadai Gauranga. And even from their childhood, they are staying together, eating, sleeping, and also, and whatever they are doing, staying in together. And sometimes they also quarrel to each other. That is called the prem kalaha, and that is called loving quarrel to each other. But we see from the nature of Gadadhar and also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and little bit opposite way. That means Gadadhar, from his childhood, he really calm, quiet, and also very quite calm and quiet. He does not want to speak too much, and he wants to stay alone. But Nimai is little very talkative and restless, and in this way. But if Gadadhar little bit out of his sight to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Gadadhar start to cry, and where is Nimai, where is Nimai? And Nimai also, and without Gadadhar cannot stay in there. So for this regard we say, though they are in the both nature opposite, then both they are staying in together and also loving quarrel to each others. So now Gadadhar and Nimai slowly grew up, and Gadadhar he is little bit elder and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai is little bit younger. So for this regard, Gadadhar he also going to a higher class and in higher school, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai also into lower school. But Nimai always is very talkative and he spoke higher class katha. So for this Gadadhar he did not like this thing. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sometimes also blocked the road of Gadadhar and start to Nyaya Darshan philosophy, and this way, just I gave an example. Gadadhar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he asked Gadadhar explain about the definition of mukti. Then Gadadhar, very simple way, according to Shastra, he said, Vishnu Ungri Lavami Mukti. Attanti Dukha Nibritta Revahi Mukti. One Attantiki Dukha Nibritti Revahi Mukti. Mukti liberation means one who free from the all kinds of distress. That is called Mukti. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I am not satisfied about this definition of Mukti. Then Gadadhar he also explained Vishnu Ungri Lavungri Mukti. Means ones who attain the lotus feet of Vishnu, that is called Mukti. That is called Vaikuntha, the 5 kinds of Muktis in there. Saluka Sashti Samipo and Saruppa. And one also Aditavadi, one kind of Mukti that is called oneness with Brahma, that is Sajija Mukti. In Bhagavad, Srimad Bhagavad also Krishna said, even those who are devotees of Vrindavan, if I give 4 kinds of mukti, they don't want. Saluka, Sasti, Samipo and Sarupo. And Dhyamana Nagrinanti Matsevanam Jana. So, even Vaikuntha Mukti, 2 types, that is called Prema Seva Uttara and it is called Sukha Vaishcharya Uttara. Even in Vaikuntha Mukti, those are devotees of Madhurya Bhav, even they don't want the Vaikuntha Prema Seva Uttara, and they want to how to attain, then go to Vrindavan and serve to divine Kapila Radha and Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again also explained Gadadhar, I am not satisfied about the definition about his mukti. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself gave the definition about mukti. Mukti jannatha rupam saswarupeno bhavasati ve mukti. Mukti means one who realizes his own transcendental constitution from Siddhadeva, and with his transcendental constitution from Siddhadeva, direct to serve divine Radha and Krishna, that is called the perfect mukti. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave the perfect definition about liberation. Mukti jannatha rupam saswarupeno davastite mukti. And in this way, sometimes Gadadhar and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they also discuss different topics, subjects, and also sometimes loving quarrels with each other. Once Gadadhar, he told, I want to go to take darshan to sadhu. Then Mahaprabhu agreed, if you can go. Gadadhar, he also came in the house of Vidyanidhi, and when he saw Vidyanidhi, then his mind very disturbed, because everybody called him, he is the great devotee and great Vaishnava, but he is external, all his activity as like Visaya, materialistic. And Pundarik Vidyanidhi, he dressed very nice, beautiful silken dress and many kinds of golden ornaments, seeing the little nuts and sitting very nice, beautiful singhasan and very nice, beautiful his hairs and that hair dress is very beautiful and attractive. And so when Gadadhar he noticed uh, Pundarik Vidyanidhi's this appearance and his mind very disturbed. Then he returned back to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Gadadhar, did you take darshan to sadhu? But Gadadhar he did not give answer. Then Mahaprabhu realized, oh Gadadhar, he has some doubts about Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Then next day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Gadadhar, again you will go in the house of Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Then Gadadhar he came in the house of Pundarik Vidyanidhi. That time, then according to the instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Mukunda Datta, he also recited some verses of Srimad Bhagavatam, the glorification of Krishna. And Barha Viranat Guru Karna Karikar Vibratavasukana Visangvajantamalam Randhana Veno Radha Sudaya Purana Govindai Vrindaranam Sakadaramanam Kavisata Vidikirti. And also and Ahobhatyam Stanakalam, this slokas also. Then Pundarik Vidyanidhi, he could not and tolerate, and then he also rolling on the ground and crying, where is my beloved Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And in this way, and all his dress and everything was destroyed. Then Gadadhar he realized how Pundarik Vidyanidhi is the highest devotee. And that means in this way, the Visai Prai and one is called Vaishnava Prai. Vaishnava Prai might look like Vaishnava, but is completely materialistic. Another is called Visai Prai, look like Visai, but his heart is completely and absorbed with Krishna Seva and Krishna. Actually, so for this regard, Gadadhar Pundarik Vidyanidhi is called Visai Prai. And then Gadadhar he returned back to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Gadadhar very humble told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I committed offences lotus feet of Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Now we realize how Pundarik Vidyanidhi is called the topmost and devotee of Lord Suddha Bhakta. So I committed offence, what will do now? Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Pundarik, you have to receive Diksha from Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Then Gadadhar he took Diksha from Pundarik Vidyanidhi and he served Pundarik Vidyanidhi as his Guru. And so in this way, in this Leela also showing how we will recognize about the high class Uttam Mahabhagavat. So for this again the country Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada explained, and one is called Visai Prai, another is called Vaishnava Prai. So once Gadadhar he also told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am chanting mantra, Gayatri mantra, everything, but mantra is not stimulated in my heart, mantra spurti not coming. So what will do? Then Mahaprabhu told, oh maybe you told this mantra to someone. Then Gadadhar he told, yes, one devotee asked me about Gayatri mantra and something, this thing I told. Then Mahaprabhu told, oh, you committed offense and on the lotus feet of mantra Adhishthatri Devada, that is called the presiding deity of mantra. For this regard, mantra Adhishthatri Devata not manifest in your heart. Then Gadadhar very humble told what to do now. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told you have to again and take Diksha. And then Gadadhar he told Prabhu, you can give Diksha to me. That Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told no. And he already took Diksha from Pundarik Vidyanidhi. So again you will go and also ask your forgiveness and Kshama Prarthana and listen Diksha Mantra Prabhu. So according to instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar he came to Pundarik Vidyanidhi and he also listened Harikatha and also Diksha Mantra. And sometimes, so in this way, our Shastra also explains Diksha Mantra should not stay to anyone. Otherwise, the mantra Adhishthatri Devata will not manifest in your heart. Then Gadadhar most of the time he read Srimad Bhagavatam and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu listened Bhagavad Katha from the lotus leaves of Gadadhar Pandit. Bhagavad Pade Gadadhar Sune Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Bhagavad also explained this way. Gadadhar he read Srimad Bhagavatam and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and why he listening. And sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks to Gadadhar, again and again you can glorify about the pastimes of Dhruva and Prahlad. Because how Dhruva Maharaj and Prahlad, how they completely, absolutely surrender to Lord. So again and again I want to listen their life history. Sometimes Gadadhar he also read Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhramar Geet, Gopi Geet, Ben Geet, Jugal Geet, Rashtra etc. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed. And sometimes both also discuss about Srimad Bhagavatam, some slokas. And so in this way, Navadvip Lila, Gadadhar and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed intimacy to each other. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas and Mahaprabhu came in Jagannath Puri and Mahaprabhu also took vow that Lord feet of Mother Suchi Devi, he would be stay in Jagannath Puri. For this regard, Gadadhar, he took Kshetra, sannyas and he was staying in Jagannath Puri. Because Gadadhar and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much intimacy, they cannot stay, they cannot separate to each other. And so Gadadhar he was staying in Tota Gopinath, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in Gambhira. That is called Kasi, Kasi Misra Bhavan. And Gadadhar, so now question is coming, why Gadadhar he was staying in Tota Gopinath and Mahaprabhu was staying in Gambhira. Why not staying in together in Tota Gopinath or both in Gambhira? In this context, Srila Gurudev gave very nice explanation when Gurudev Srila Bhagavan Vaishnava used to go Jagannath Puri and especially in Tota Gopinath. And yet Tota means that is called the garden. And according to the Uriya language, the Tota means garden. Bagicha and Gopinath, that is called the garden of Gopinath. And Tota Gopinath, so both are in, so he was staying in there. Actually, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this Gopinath Gopinath, and he also gave this Gopinath on the hand of Gadadhar, and Gadadhar he served very nicely Gopinath, and Tota Gopinath in there. And if you go Jagannath Puri, you can see how beautiful that is. And now you can see the deity is sitting position, but when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Gopinath from the beach, and that time Gopinath was standing position, and now you can see that Gopinath he is sitting and sitting on the lotus, as Gurudev explained. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu departed from this material world. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu actually entered in Totago. Ahari Pariva Dukho Mahaprabhu ke harailam Totam a Gopinath a grihe. Or devotees also say that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and finally he entered in total Gopinath and he did not come out. And that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not different from Gopinath. And so now he coming this when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu departed from this material world, then Radha could not tolerate separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and that time he could not offer the garland to Tota Gopinath. Then Tota Gopinath is also himself seated in this way. So now we are looking at Gopinath is sitting position. Then another thing Gurudev also explained the actual Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis, and then Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance, and then again gopis they also recited the verses, this was Gopi Gita, and then Krishna appeared and in the assembly of the gopis. And that time Sukadeva Goswami very heavily chastised to Krishna and also recited the Kasam Adhivisori Smayamanu Mukham Bhaja. In this verse, Sukadeva Goswami heavily chastised to Krishna because gopis they completely, absolutely they surrender to Krishna, but Krishna is called an ungrateful person. And so at that time Krishna, he appeared in the assemblies of the gopis, and that time gopis they gave their asana, and that asana that is called their small clothes, and that clothes completely also and wet with their tears and also mud and dust of their place. But Krishna seated on their asana, and that time Krishna seated in their asana, and in the same way Gopinath he is sitting in there. So in this way Gadadhar every day he also served to the Gopinath. And but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he was staying in Gambhira, because here Gurudev explained this way. Actually Krishna he appeared in this material that the three regions, especially three regions, Siraya, Pranamama, Siddhisubha, Sadhujana, Madhurima, Siddhisubha Madhya. So Koncha Mod Anubhut of Siddhisubha. So but actually Srimati Radhika she is thinking and the Krishna is properly is acting my Mahabhav role or not. I have to say in there. And so for this regard, Gadadhar he was staying in Tota Gopinath, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he was staying in Gambhira, this way. And Chaitanya and Gadadhar he is in observing, looking how Krishna he is practicing my Mahabhav. And these Mahabhav, different stages of Mahabhav, Ruda, Udura, Mohan, Modan and Madanakha Mahabhav. And Krishna is properly staying, properly is practicing or not. And Gurudev, some students they are very naughty. They want to, what is called, they want to copy, They don't want to read, just they want to copy and write. So for this regard, Gadadhari, for this regard, and Sarvdamodar and Rairamananda is there. And how Krishna, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is properly practicing this Mahabhav. And because Srimati Radhika, she knows that when Mahabhav manifested one's heart, and that is very difficult to tolerate in the body. And only Srimati Radhika and herself can tolerate. No one can tolerate this. And For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she actually completely rapid, what is called, completely covered the whole body of Krishna. Because Srimati Radhika, she knows, and my beloved Krishna's body is very soft, and how my beloved Krishna will tolerate and about this and Mahabhav. And because our Shastra also explain very Mahabhav manifested, and at a time so much and cold and as like the coal of ice, and at a time at the heat of fire. And so heat of fire and full of ice at a time, and that time the body cannot tolerate. And there are many kinds of symptoms of Mahabhava. And Khanardi Kalpatta Kalpatte Khanardha, many kinds of symptoms in India also. So how Krishna will be tolerate and of my this Mahabhava and his Mahabhava. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she herself completely also and covered the whole body of Krishna. For this regard, now Krishna is called what is called golden complexion. Actually, this golden complexion is not one Srimati Radhika. Gauranga nahi tomar Radha Ange Dhaka. Radhavanda, he also told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, don't cheat me, I know. This is not your golden complexion. Actually, this golden complexion, and that means Srimati Radhika. And that means Srimati Radhika, she completely, but absolutely, and covered your whole body. So, Gauranga nahi tomar Radha Ange Dhaka. That means your blackish complexion completely covered with golden complexion. This golden complexion means that Srimati Radhika. And Deha Dehi Vidanaste. There are no difference in body and soul. There is Srimati Radha and Krishna is Krishna, and Radha is Krishna. So in this way, though Gadadhar he knows, there is Srimati Radhika, she knows what kinds of pain manifest when the Mahabhav is coming. So for this regard, Gadadhar he is looking, and that time Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda and staying with him. Because when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he felt pang of separation from Krishna and crying loudly, and Kaha Mor Pranath Murali Vadan, Kaha Jaun, Kaha Paun, Brajendra Nandan, Kahari Kohiva Dukho, Kejane Mor Dukh, Brajendra Nandan Vina, Hati Mor Dukh. And where I will go, where will and meet with my beloved Krishna. And here is Shikvicha Modi, as Krishna, who always hold the peacock feather on his head. And so in this way, Srimati Radhika, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinks, I am Radha, now my beloved Krishna left me. And that time, and Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda recited many separation modes of Srimati Radhika, especially Rai Natak or Sarupi Gan, Birher Kali Duhe, Rakhoye Paran. Chaitanya Chaitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he felt pang of separation from Krishna. And that time Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda, they recited some verses of Srimad Bhagavatam, and especially Sarup Damodar, very nice, sweet and rhythm and rag. He also recited the song of Vidyapati and Chandidas. And that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's separation and raising high, and very high in this side. And just to give an example, Vidyapati, he Chandidas, he also sang this song. One Srimati Radhika, she was pinching to Krishna. Hey Krishna, and actually we have to know the realization, what is the meaning of love. And when the love manifested one's heart, what kinds of realization come, we have nothing. And what dear Srimati Radhika she told, and this verse is saying in this way, Moriya hoibo nami nandiranam tumari koribo radha Hare Bonamali go Poro janame tumi hoiyo radha Bonamali go, hey Bonamali go, hey Krishna, and next part you have to become Radha, and then I will become and Krishna, and then I will play the flute and also captivate your heart. And when you used to go fetching water from the Jaguna, then I will be standing under the tamal trees and I will play the flute. Then you realize what is the meaning of the sound of the flute. And so we have in this verse with Chandidas we sang this Bonamali Guru for Janame Tumi Hoiyo Radha Ami Hoibo Krishna. Hey Krishna, so Janam Moriya Hoibo Ami Nandanandan Tumari Hoibo Radha Piriti Koriya Shariya Jaiva Takuma Jani Piriti Ke Mane. Very nice, beautiful music. So these types of song and kirtan, when Sarup Damodar recited, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's separation and fire of separation and Virogni rage and rage. And so, but this is also so much happiness. Jato dekho Vaishnavir Vyavahar Dukkho and Antare Jahani Tumi Parama Ananda. And external you can see Vaishnav and high class exalted devotee they are crying and separation of Krishna, but internal so much happiness coming. And Charbor Ikchu Tapta Ikchu Charvan Joiche Charan on a and Chaitanya Chaitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained, if you put the sugar cane in the fire and chewing the juice, and that juice is very sweet, but simultaneously and your tongue will burn, but you cannot give up the chewing the sugar cane. So in the same way, prem is what kinds of happiness is coming, no one can explain. That is called the Sasambuddha Dasa. Sasambuddha Dasa means one who can realize in himself, can't to explain in his own words. So for Chaitanya, so why I am saying, because Gadadhar, he was staying in Tota Gopinath, and how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how he is practicing this Mahabhav. And that time Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda, that means two teachers, professors, they are giving God. Properly he is practicing or not. Because sometimes students are very naughty. They do want to practice Anushilana. They are lazy. So in the same way, Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda, they are giving God to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is properly and he is practicing the Srimati Radhika this Mahabhava or not. And another reason also Gurudev explained, if Gadadhar would stay with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira, maybe Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and mood would be not manifesting Radha Bhav. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is actually he is Krishna, or Gadadhar is there. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and if I am Radha, so why Gadadhar is Radha is there? And at the time to Radha not staying together. For this regard, Jogamath arranged this way. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Gambhira in the mood of Srimati Radhika, and Gadadhar, he was staying in Tota Gopinath. Another thing is Gurudev explained, Gadadhar always his feelings pang of separation from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If Gadadhar would stay with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would feel separation from Krishna, and then how possible Gadadhar will pacify to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Because Gadadhar actually he is Radha, or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinks I am Radha. and I am feeling separation from Krishna. So how possible one Radha pacify to another Radha? This is, for this regard, Gurudev told, not possible, and to stay in together in Gambhira. Another things also Gurudev explained, how Gadadhar can and to give the pacify to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and was feeling pang of separation from Krishna. Gurudev just gave an example, and one chaste lady, her husband left the body. Then his neighbor and chaste wife, and his neighbor as chaste wife, she came and she also pacified and her neighbor, and she saying, "Oh, don't cry, and because who has gone never come back, just you keep present these things." And she just also pacified her neighbor. And in the same time, and who is giving what is called?
Who is specified?
Eh?
Who is specified?
Who is pacified? And sometimes she heard her husband, and suddenly heart attack and left the body. So that time she possible how she would be say, and this word, don't cry, and then that time she cannot speak anything, just she will completely stand. And so Gurudev explained in this way, the Srimati Radhika, that means Gadadhar, he is feeling kind of separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or simultaneously Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna, now he is feeling kind of separation from Krishna. And so how possible Gadadhar will specify to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? For this regard, Gadadhar, he did not stay with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. But there also Gurudev also explained, Chaitanya Gadadhar Pandit, he as like the principle of the college of Prem, and Prem college ki wo principle. Gadadhar, that means Srimati Radhika, is the principle of Prem college. And Sarup Damodar Rayaramananda, that is called Lalita Abhiseka, that is called the professor. And so in professor in India, and Gadadhar, though he is principal, and he is little bit far, and he is observing and Nirikhan how how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna is practicing his own mode Mahabhav. Gurudev explained, is a principal always not taking the class, and his duty is there and to Nirikhan karna and supervise and supervision. He is looking this way, and the teachers and students, they are properly and to practicing or not. And so Gurudev explained, in the college of Prem college, and Srimati Radhika, she is as like principal, and she is observing, and how my teachers and my students, they are and practicing and learning all the lessons. So for this regard, Gurudev told, the Gadadhar, he was staying in Lota Gopinath and watching and how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna, is practicing his highest mode, Dibba Urma Dasha. And so for this regard, Shastra Gurudev explained why Gadadhar was staying little bit far from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Good Jai Sachidananda Guru Hari Ki Jai Gadadhar Pandit Ki Jai Jai Sri Ram. Hari Bol. My heart is blessing also. Hari Bol. Okay. ओ हरि बोल, धन्यवाद, प्रणाम प्रभु जी। हाँ, और सब कुशल है? हाँ, जय 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 सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि की जय जय। जय श्री जय हो धन्यवाद प्रणाम हाँ जय हरि बोल जय 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 श्री राम और जय हॉलैंड डिवोटीज की जय ओके हरि बोल हरे कृष्णा हरि बोल ओके ओके माय हार्टली ब्लेसिंग ऑल टू यू मे राधानी ब्लेस टू यू है तो प्रिया हरि बोल हरे कृष्णा हरि बोल हरे कृष्णा oh so long time Radha Sundari ki jai are you practicing or not kirtan Hari Bol jai 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 see okay see you again tomorrow okay jai jai Hari Bol धन्यवाद प्रणाम अरे मैया आ गई अरे तुम पैसे बहुत दिन बाद दर्शन दिया अरे मैया भी अरे रामानंद आ गए हरि बोल क्या बच्चे तो प्रिया हरि बोल जय राधा सुंदरी डॉक्टर हाउ इज योर डॉक्टर गुड जय हरि बोल ओके सी यू अगेन हरे कृष्णा जय जय श्री राधे